Okay, welcome back here today, guys. It is very cold. The cold front pulled through, and I'm also wearing my camos because it's hunting season. I just want to get the full effect. Still being stuck at my house, but wishing to be outside in the field hunting. But anyway, I have a new video. This is the video, or the follow-up video of that 100 likes video, and I pulled through with my promise. Here, 2000 rubber band ball. It is quite colorful. I like it, but it is dense as hell. I don't know how to really explain it, but I think it weighs close to a kilogram now. Last time it weighed 600 and something grams. Now it weighs close to a kilogram because I added another 1000 rubber bands. In theory, I think it would, like, if you double it up, it would weigh 1.2 kilograms. Anyway, let's go get into this video quite rather quickly. I'm not going to beat around the bush too much. I am trying to speak too quickly for my brain to comprehend what I am saying. But I'm going to have one shot at it with the bow at 275 feet per second, and then we're going to bring out the big boy, the crossbow, and see what it will do to this thing. So let's get into the video. I think I just loosened one of our pavement stones. Okay, that one's not loose. Woo! Now, this big boy, hopefully it'll stand here. There we go. Camera set up. Let's get going with the video. Woo! Let's get that bit over there again. This arrow that went through the phone and the PSP and everything, it is quite scratched up, so I might as well just use it. It survived, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. We're shooting at 20 yards again, 275 feet per second with the field point, not the broadhead yet, because I'm scared the broadhead gets stuck there and then that's the obsolete end for that broadhead. But yeah, let's just have at it. There's a slight wind, so hopefully it goes well. Okay, so I hit it. I did hit it, which is good news. I didn't miss again. Let's see this thing. It works, but it also doesn't work because it's home built. You guys, just if you want to check this video out, it is linked up there. Anyway, that way I built this thing. I don't know how the ball was angled. It was okay, so it went through there. So it hit a bit high. I think if it was this, it hit a bit low. If it was this, it hit a bit high. But only the slow-mo camera will reveal how it actually hit. And now it's me versus this thing again. Ugh. Got it out. Okay. Take two. So we know this thing stops. We know it stops. Now we're gonna break out the big boy, the crossbow. Let's have at it with the field point first. 350 feet per second. Let's see how it goes. Dun, da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's go have at it. Crossbow ready to fire. 20 yards. Center. I hit it in the middle. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. I think it stopped. Let's go have a look. do the slow-mo. Did I get the slow-mo? Yeah, I did. Cue the slow-mo. Okay, so it did stop it, and was as I supposed. Okay, so it stopped it, and I don't know how far it went in. Okay, let's try to see if I can't get a point of reference again. I feel like I am endangering myself there. This is going to be difficult. How am I going to get this thing out?
One eternity later.
So, due to a bit of help, the cameraman was busy helping me pull this thing out, and we didn't get it on film. It went in there, and I got it out. It went about this deep. And to imagine it just going this deep and struggling so much to get it pulled out. I'm so tired. Oh my word. This is like effort. A lot of effort. And I think I'm going to shoot it with the Broadhead now. But it's like a death sentence for the Broadhead essentially, because I'm not getting it back. So cue a little a highlights package of the Broadhead being worked before we say its final goodbye. I'll see you guys after the highlights package. Okay, I'm still seated here. Let's get this thing back up here and get going, keeping on with the video. Back up on the top you go. On with the camera I go. Let's get back to the video. Let's get that Broadhead tied on. Oh, tied on, wow, I've been fishing too lot. Screwed on. This is our Broadhead, and it's getting tied on, screwed on now. It has seen a lot, as you guys can see. Its blades are bent. Nothing is straight anymore. You see that blade? Nothing is straight anymore on it. It's seen a lot of cool things in its days. It's not gone through an animal, but it's gone through cans, fruits, rubber band balls, phones, all array of things. And this will be goodbye, old friend. But first, let me load the crossbow, and then it will be goodbye, old friend. Where's that thing? This is goodbye, my friend. Thank you for all the memories and the work you've done. Please don't miss, because that will be rather embarrassing. But yeah, let's have at it. I missed by a 4 margin. Wow, that sucks. That kind of sucks. It shot low. I should have kind of predicted that. I should have predicted it with the blades being all bent out and stuff. But I'll just, to compensate for the fact that it shoots like, because I was there when I shot, so it shoots that much low. To compensate for that, I'll just hold a bit higher and then try it again. The camera's still fine. Let's have another go at it. I think this blade that's bent up here does a lot of, like, it has a big effect anyway. Ek dink ek het hom mooi getref. I think I hit it well now. Let's go check. Better hit. Yeah, I didn't go through. It stopped. Fine. That was rude. Anyway, it stopped. It 100% completely stopped it, and I was aiming there, which is weird. But if I hit it there, it would have also still not gone through. But finally, I've given this broadhead its final hurrah, because it's definitely not going to come out, and so let's just loosen it. I'm just
2 hours later.
Loosened. And so, as such, after a lengthy saying goodbye, a lengthy saying goodbye session. There we go. Oh, farewell, that's the word. Farewell. After a lengthy farewell, we finally say goodbye to Monsieur Broadhead, and this ball has done its course. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not gonna put 3,000 rubber bands around it because I'm struggling to find big enough rubber bands, but I hope to see you guys on the next video. If you like this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe down below. I really enjoy if you guys are watching, and I enjoy making these videos. Hopefully you'll guys I'm gonna slow down. Hopefully you guys will see me out hunting here shortly. Anyway, you guys must stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers!